say, man, look you. You see to the way you come at Taboo and go on? You see? You see the way you come at Taboo and go on? The dog good in there, say, Popcaan. Watch me, girl. But she go back, you have to calm her down. You understand what I say? So, at that thing I tell you, you have to know them things there. So, you cause it.
Talk show. Get your own talk show, bro.
And that's why I'm text you. You hear when you call him Andre. You know, say Papi is Andre.
That's because I know him. That's because I'm personal.
What you mean? That's the deep name. Andre.
I'm not going to call him what everybody else call him in the street because I know him.
New York, stop front, Pamela. Stop front.
I'm not.
You know you're from Papi, so stop going like, come on now. Bother with that.
Why does it matter though? Why you
hold on this? Why you hold on this? No, why you hold on that?
Anything. I'm not obligated to tell you my life. I'm not.
You're not obligated. Remember that me I try please them and know already now. Me know already. So, and the fans them, and them feel like me I tell lie. And you make me look like a liar. You make me look bad. And all the relationship new, and yeah, Marvin in love. Marvin can't vex. Because long before him exists, and last week, Marvin there, last week. So him can't have you. If Papi used to beat it, what am I going to do? Him can't do that.
What's up? Call my sister.
Call your sister?
Yeah, everybody saying call her.
Why? Call your sister for?
Everybody saying call her. I don't know. Everybody saying call her. What? She trying to see you?
Alright, here I go on. No, and me she want to get to. I know you. She want to do an interview with me. You allow the comment that New York can stop stress out yourself with that?
Okay, I'm not.
And me, them want to call her sister. Me I going to call her when me done. But what me I say is, you can't afraid of your past, my girl. You're not that type of girl. You can't make love make you be what you is not, you know. You have to maintain who you is. And use a girl, hello. And use a girl who always talk the truth and straight up. And that me like, boy. Remember, say you have enough girl where do the same thing them what you do and go on the same way you go on. But me not chat to them because them a pussy. Them a liar, them not real. Here's a girl that keep it real, and that's why me you always stay connected. You understand what I say? So me know why you come change now. Marvin, I tell you what to say.
I'm not going to explain my life to you because I don't have to. I'm not changing.
No, yeah, this is not your life. This is one chapter of your old it's but goodies. It's old it's. It's not nothing new. It's old it's. That done and gone.
I'm not telling you to tell anybody anything.
Eh?
Why don't you go ask him? Why don't you go ask him?
You know Papi not gonna come from my life. You know Papi not come from my life. I get a bad.
I'm over there. I don't care what people gotta say about anything. Y'all know I don't care. I'm open to ship. I don't care. I don't care.
Alright. Here man's a New York.
Money. Find me a man with some money then.
Eh?
Find me one of your friends with some money then.
Where's about money?
I said find me one of your friends with some money then.
What you mean, man? You don't know Papi rich now. I want the blood clot there. You don't know say Papi rich now.
I don't want
you. You don't know Papi rich now. All you have to do, I catch back the old fire stick. Because I remember your good old. You never figure your old. That's why I'm trying to change. Because I want it back. You hear that? I have a brother named Lockett. You know him? You know Lockett? And them man the trip Benz and them people there. Rich, top barber, down Florida. When you forward, me make you meet him. I have an ex-brother who sell oil. Him name Relski. So, you know the thing loud. But you know what I'm saying? You know World Dog, right?
But no, like what?
No. Like, yeah. you know of him, right?
course.
Him say, tonight, at 8 o'clock, you might go finish your boyfriend career. And say, I have a video where when he put out that video there, Marvin have to come off of social media, come out of Dancehall, disappear. I could have what's up?
I don't know I don't know the business, so I didn't even know about they beef. Like until we got off the phone the other day when I was on live.
Yeah, but when you think could that be so serious? When you think could that be so serious? What do you think could be that serious?
I don't know, because remember, I didn't know they were beefing. That's why when he said he made history or whatever, I was like, about what? What is history about the live? He said, because they've been beefing for so long. I'm like, what y'all beefing about? Like, what's the beef? So my girl Ice from Canada called me and was like, it's a big beef. I didn't know about no beef. Care about no beef. Mind you, I didn't know of them two beefing.
So hold on. The girl from Canada named Ice, are your friend?
You said what?
The girl from Canada named Ice, are your friend?
Yes.
So how she DM me? Eh?
What she DM you about?
Let me tell you something. Me have some information in my DM from all over the world. You see, if me was a wicked person, I mean, want to mash up people's life, not necessarily you, like people in general. Me have some information. Actually, me a professional and me a superstar. Me have to cushion some things. Me can't really put everything out there. You understand what I say? But I got some crazy shit in my DM from people I don't even fucking know. I got pictures. I got screenshots of text messages, WhatsApp messages. Oh my God. I told me I'm good at. Alive, Popcaan over here? Hold on. Somebody just tell me say Popcaan up on the live. Me blood clot. Hold on. Poppy, where is that? You know. What they've got to, you know. Which people, show me if him be over here. Because if him over here, Africa end up in New York to post the clan. Poppy, where is that? Comment something, let me see, Poppy. Poppy, comment something, let me see. Blood, I want them,
Somebody's saying it's fake. Somebody's saying it's fake.
Oh, that's it. New York, somebody say it's fake. New York, you love this mix up there. You look a gal in there. You love it, you love it,
I don't care for the mix up.
You love it in a little blood clot, girl. You?
I don't care for the mix up. I don't care.
One thing me have to rate today though, New York, a place star you fuck. Your thing up. Your thing a lily. Cause Cartel gone to jail and Papi hot right now, run the place. And your name called upon that. So you like you have a little blessing in your hole, you know. And you fuck Marvin now and him gone viral. You see me? So entire you like a pussy and boss.
Why do people care? Why do people care?
Eh?
Why do people care?
You know why people care. I learned this and you keep asking that question.
Why do people care that I'm sleeping with him? Why do people care?
No, but watch this now.
He's in Jamaica, I'm over here. What they got to do with anything? So here's the thing. If it was somebody else, would it be the same issue, or is it because people know me from cartel shit? No. What's the problem?
So let me ask you something, New York. As a smart, educated girl now, you think if it was a nobody that chat boy you?
But him and Maria was cool. It didn't go that far.
But Maria no boss. Jamaican people don't know when you're Maria Jade. Them just know I know. She's just a pretty girl up on one part.